What's up, guys? On today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to save gas. In this day and age, gas is hella expensive, but it's a needed thing because we rely on our vehicles and so forth. And what better way to take care of our vehicles is by giving a quick tune-up in a bottle with Lucas. This one's a fuel injector cleaner, helps clean out your fuel injectors, as well as take out some carbon buildup from the cylinder heads of your car, as well as improve your gas and mileage of your regular route and stuff. It saves you gas. Get you a bottle of this Lucas upper cylinder injector cleaner, fuel injector cleaner. It'll help you with your loss of fuel economy. It'll help you with loss of power if you're like idling and you kind of want to push and you burn it. Your burn pistons, it helps you out with that. And your premature overhauls, it'll help you out with that. It cleans and lubricates carburetors, injectors, and valve seats. That's very true, but not just because of one bottle it'll happen. You got to use it over time. Pretty much you're just going to pour this into your gas tank before and after fill up. And also, yeah, it'll help you have a higher octane fuel levels and stuff. And yeah, use every fill up for maximum power and fuel economy is what it says. This Lucas bottle, magic bottle of upper cylinder lubricant and fuel injector cleaner. It shows you like some dirty fuel injectors right here. And then this is the before and after. It sprays better. So I've seen videos online of people actually using this, and it helps clean out their fuel injectors and also the carbon buildups over time on top of your cylinder heads, also, as well as your spark plugs. It helps you clean out that carbon buildup. The cool thing about this is, yeah, it helped you. It would help you pretty much save gas as well. So if you're idling weird, if your car is kind of like struggling or it's kind of having a hard time, and you try cleaning out your IACV or IAVC valves and your PCV valves and also your MAF and all that stuff, you just clean all that stuff, but you just want a faster and also a high performance car and vehicle, try putting this. It's a quick tune-up in a bottle. That's pretty much what it says. But yeah, how to do this is pretty much easy. You just pop open your tank, pour it in, and that's it. All right, so we got our Lucas upper cylinder lubricant and fuel ejector cleaner. It treats one tank up to 25 gallons. This is like a 13-gallon car. I'm just gonna pour this whole bottle in this bad boy. Oops. Just like that, and then you go in. And you can hear it pretty much. Give that little few shakes. So yeah, you saw me pour that in, and also cool advantages of this. If you lose your, what's this called? If you feel like you have a pre-ignition pinging, like ding, 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 that's cause of more carbon buildup into your combustion chamber. It also makes you lose power. You have burned valves and broken rings. This one burns thoroughly for more miles per gallon and fewer emissions. This is also cool for marine applications and safe for any engine. Lucas oil products. The cool thing I like about this is, besides this, I do use like octane boost and I use gum out on my car, and I notice my miles per gallon actually is pretty much higher than what it's supposed to be. And I know that there is change, and I've seen it. So it's pretty interesting, and I do stand by with these actual additives for your car and vehicles because they do help your car and they help you save gas. Not only that, but they help your engine work well and a little bit better. And it's not gonna happen over time, not just like one bottle and then it fixes. You gotta use it, over and over time, and you'll see that big change in your car. But I promise you, maybe the first gallon or two, you'll notice there's some differences in your car per gallon. So yeah, that's today's video. Pretty quick one. I just wanted to show you this Lucas upper cylinder and fuel injector cleaner. Try using it on your car and let me know in the comments below if you like it, if you don't, if you hate it, and yeah, more. Also check out the other video how-to for my car playlist on my channel, and subscribe if you haven't. Like this video if you did, and peace. I'm out.